In this video we'll highlight our favorites product. We will show you the specifications and benefits of the product. First, let's see the specs of the product.
Our Waykar 70 Pint Dehumidifier has modern and fashion design, which coordinates with your home decoration perfectly. It removes up to 9 gallons of water per day and weighs up to 4,500 square feet through its powerful built-in compressor. The 360-degree universal views at the bottom enable movement in all directions without damaging the floor. Our dehumidifier with intelligent screen touch control panel, which lets you set operate setting at a glance. They are convenient to operate and simple to use. Our Waykar dehumidifier supports your customized humidity level and display current humidity while working. You can set the ideal humidity level, use the setting button. When the humidity level overtakes or drops to the level you set, the dehumidifier compressor will automatically begin working or stop. 1. Power on automatically when the ambient humidity above the setting humidity. 2. Power off automatically when the ambient humidity below the setting humidity. You can program the 24 hours timer to set your lifestyle and save your energy costs. And select between regular and turbofan speeds for optimal comfort. When you press the button and hold for 2 seconds, and the control panel will be locked. There are 4 air outlets and the 4 sides of the humidifier instead of that in one side. When the water bucket is full, the indicator will display and the dehumidifier automatically power off. Once the water bucket is emptied and put back in place, the humidifier can be turned on again. It can also be continuously drained via the included 6.97 feet long drain hose. The air filter is easy to remove and washable. Simple clean it in regular and then recycle. Please clean it once a month. The powerful dehumidifier from Waykar quickly and efficiently reduces room humidity and brings you a healthy and comfortable life. Fresh and comfortable all the time.
Why we love this product. And these are rating for this product.